Welcome to the Ranking Factory software setup. This tutorial is for Sheets, but to do Sheets we're going to start off with Link Grabber. So you come across the menu at the top and click on Link Grabber. You pick an account or brand to sign into. It will add your email account and then click on Login. You manually add your password and try to figure out this code. And I strongly recommend that you don't bother clicking on the audio thing. It's horrible and you can't understand anything. I notice that the more I try this and fail, the easier it gets to read it. If you fail, you have to remember to put your password back in. Hurrah! Okay, so we are logged in. Just a little note here, when you're setting up for Link Grabber, you want to pay close attention to how things are spelled, and even spaces make a difference. I have designed weight loss as 2 words, but in some places on the internet it's designed weight loss 3 words. So the software wasn't finding some things, and I found out that it's because of the way things were spelled or spacing. So pay close attention. If you're not getting any results, take a look at how things are spelled and what you have entered in here. So what I had to do was enter the brand twice with the two different ways that it was spelled. So now you want to add your keyword spelled correctly. Okay, now you come over here and select the places that you want the software to search. So we'll go Google Drive, Photos, Blogger, YouTube, Calendar. So any place that you have data related to this account and this keyword. And then click on Search. Now I did this several times with different keywords and frequently didn't get any results, so I tried different keywords until I got all these results. Now if it posts a name, posts a location, but gives no links, it means that there isn't any related information in that spot with this keyword. Okay, so we are complete. We can go select all and send to Sheets. So here's where Sheets comes in. So the Sheets module opens up, and here are all our sheets, and we need to add our keyword. So add our primary keyword, secondary keyword. Probably a good idea to make sure that they're spelled correctly. Select keywords as anchor text and open Uploaded. And we can add a file description and comment text. Okay, and save it, and then click on Upload. If you look in the bottom left corner of the software, you see the progress, and it's finished, and it's opened in a browser tab. So here's my list with the keywords as anchor text, and here are all my links. So if you want to translate, you need to select some languages to translate to. Okay, so that's good. And then run translation multiplier. And it will run first in English and then in Spanish, or it'll run in as many languages as you select. And you can come back to Link Grabber and go to Send Links to Indexer. Select all and send links to Indexer. If you select all and send links to Indexer and nothing happens, I would select all, copy, go to the menu, and click on Links Indexer. Give it the campaign name. Select Use Your Free Allowance and paste your links in here and click Submit. And if you look down the bottom, it reads Finish submitting URLs to speed links. And that wraps up this tutorial.